Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to upload a video to your Google Drive account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Google, so we can now go all the way onto the dock, go to Launchpad, go to your web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Go to the right top corner of the screen, make sure you are signed into the account. Now click on Google Apps, click on the Drive. Make sure we also have a video we wish to upload to our Google Drive account. So we can now click on New, File, Upload. Let's just navigate to the folder called Instagram Tools. Click on this. We have a couple of videos. Let's just now upload a video. Let's click on the first one, how to pair a mouse with the Mac. Change view to list so we can now see the title in full. How to pair and connect an Apple Magic Mouse with your MacBook Pro via Bluetooth. Let's just click on this, open, and now the video itself is uploading. Less than a minute left. This really depends on the size of the video. If you're uploading a 1 GB file, it may take some time. And so the 21 MB file has now been uploaded. Let's go to Chrome, quit Google Chrome. Let's now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go back to Google Chrome, go back to Google Apps, click on Drive, and there is the video. Let's change to grid view. If we click on the video, we're still processing the video. Check back later or download the video now in order to view the video. The video has been uploaded. Now it's on us to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the video to load. As reiterated before, this may take some time. Let's come back after 5-10 minutes and then view the same file. We should be able to view the video within the Google Drive. And so that's the waiting game done. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, Google Chrome, click on Google Apps, go to the Drive, click on the video that we uploaded, and the video should now start playing. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.